Okay, so the storm has gotten a lot closer. Also a lot later. Saw a couple things of lightning, so I decided to just record for a little bit. I think I got that one. Oh, yeah, right there. There's another. Oh yeah, that's a big one. I think there's more of this drone.